Defining the stages of a sales pipeline is laying out the key steps of the sales process that your team follows in order to get customers. This activity gets everyone in sync, and usually a better team performance follows immediately. It also helps you set more specific activity goals. Get your pipeline stages right. To begin with, start by thinking about the decision-making and buying processes of your customers. 2. Write down the matching sales stages associated with your customers' buying stages. 3. Discuss the stages with your entire sales team and get everyone's input. 4. Go through all of your typical sales scenarios and make sure that these key steps occur in each of them. 5. Review the stages with your team. It's vital that they not only understand the stages, but also see why they are so important. And 6, in a month or 2, revise the stages once you've got more hard information to work with. To make it easier to visualize them without being too simplistic or overly complicated, you'll want to have between 5 to 7 steps. Your pipeline may differ depending on your industry and business, but here's an example of typical sales stages to get you started. Lead idea created, contact with potential customer made, needs or wants discovered, offer made, and offer accepted. Use past tense to define your sales pipeline, as that carves out a more clear-cut definition of key steps. Aim for a process where prospects can only move ahead in a pipeline once a key task has been completed. No single pipeline design fits all situations. Follow the steps I mentioned previously to define your process, and you'll start to see huge increases in your closing rate and results.